Hi, I'm Aubrey, and I'm here with Chef Chris. We are here at the Utah Valley Convention Center here on our Timpanogos Terrace, which we host a lot of events here. Today, Chris is going to show some tips and tricks on grilling.
Today we're going to be cedar plank smoking a halibut fillet.
Okay, so that's the cedar right there, right?
So the cedar that we got going.
Okay.
Yep.
And is that easy to find,
Yeah.
the cedar? Okay.
Locally sourced through any of the hardware stores. Just you want to make sure it's untreated wood.
Okay.
And most hardware stores are going to cut that for you to whatever length you want or need. You can do it for like a whole side of salmon even if you wanted, or like as small as just a single serving
Okay.
for fish.
Great.
And this was already pre-soaked for us, so
Okay.
We soaked this downstairs earlier today. So you want to have a little bit of a soak on it so that we're not going to have just this big ball of fire.
Okay.
So we're going to get our halibut ready. I'm using kosher salt and just a little bit of black pepper. And you can use some oil if you like for on top of your fish, butter, even some pan spray can also be very helpful. I'm just going to get a little oil up on the top of this, and our wood is all ready to go.
Great.
We get the halibut fillet on there, and then when you want to create a lid, if you don't have a lid for your barbecue or your grill, these work really, really well to lock your smoke in and to get the smoke going on that. So we got a really good, nice smoke going on with the halibut. Magic of TV. This halibut is all ready to go.
Wow.
I'll show you guys the finished product. Our halibut is looking real beautiful here.
Yeah.
We've got our roasted potatoes. Nice spray of herbs up on there.
What is that, rosemary?
Rosemary.
Great.
Got our nice grilled carrots. This is a pre-prepared, beautiful pineapple salsa for our fish.
Oh, looks amazing.
And we took our lemon over here. We pre-grilled that. We got that ready to go. We got that meal.
Beautiful.